Sound financial considerations, in conjunction with well-developed ecological awareness, generate the best ideas for a sustainable future. The SOPREMA factory in Germany exploits local wind and solar power to its maximum potential and combines this with a revolutionary energy storage concept. A new production plant is being built. One of the major challenges? To make the best use of local, renewable energy. The idea: the unit's firewater storage tank will simultaneously hold the plant's energy supply. And this is how it works. The large solar power system on the factory roof and the nearby wind turbines generate energy. The majority of this is used directly to operate the plant. The excess is absorbed by the factory's large circular firewater tank, where it is stored in the form of cooling energy. At peak demand, the factory can draw on this energy. Ideally, this will allow the intensive cooling process used in production to rely exclusively on green energy that we have generated ourselves.